Good day. Now I will show you on how I solve these problems. Number 1, in the integral of sine x over sine x plus cosine x dx. So here we let z is equal to tan x over 2 and sine x is 2z all over 1 plus z squared, and cosine x is equal to 1 minus z squared all over 1 plus z squared, and dx is 2dz all over 1 plus z squared. So here we have to substitute. As you can see, the integral of 2z all over 1 plus z squared all over z squared all over 1 plus z squared plus 1 minus z squared all over 1 plus z squared. Then multiply sa dx, which is 2dz all over 1 plus z squared. Then simplify or rearrange the integral of 2z all over 1 plus 2z minus z squared multiplied by 1 plus z squared and dz. So here we have to use the partial fraction. So here sine x plus cosine x plus sine x minus cosine x, sine all over sine x plus cosine x, or is equal to 1/2. Then here 1 plus sine x minus cosine x all over sine x plus cosine x. Then integrate by terms. Integral of 1/2 dx plus 1/2 the integral of sine x minus cosine x all over sine x plus cosine x dx. Then is equal to x all over 2 minus 1/2 the ln of sine x plus cosine x plus c. And this is our final answer, x all over z minus 1/2 ln sine x plus cosine x plus c. And here is the number 2 problem, which is the integral of t squared cosine t dt. So here we let u is equal to t squared, du is 2t dt, and our dv is cosine t dt. Then our v is sine t. So by using the formula integral of u du, integral of u du is equal to uv integral of v du. Then our first is t squared sine t is equal to integral of 2t sine t dt. Then we have to integrate. So the integral of t sine t, so we let to use the u substitutions again. So here we let u is equal to t, then du is dt, then our dv is sine t dt, then our v is negative cosine t. Alright, then so here we have the negative t cosine t plus the integral of cosine t dt, and here we have to integrate again. So negative t cos t plus sine t, then substitute back. So t squared sine t minus 2, then negative t cosine t plus sine t, then simplify. So our answer is t sine t plus 2t cosine t minus 2 sine t plus c. Here, our number 3, we have the integral of 1 over x to the 3 halves minus square root of x then dx. So we'll let x is equal to z squared, then dx is 2z dz, and our square root of x is equal to z. So we squared, so it come up to z 2. So x to the 3 halves is equal to z squared, then raised to the power of 3 halves is equal to z to the or z cube. So here we have the integral of 1 over z cube minus z, then z at 2z dz, then integral of 2z all over z multiplied by z squared minus 1 dz, and simplify. So integral of 2 all over z squared minus 1 dz. Then here we have to use the partial fraction. So the integral of 2 all over z squared minus 1 dz, by applying the formula, the integral of 1 all over u squared minus a squared du. So it's equal to 1 all over 2a ln w minus a all over w plus a plus c. Then we let w is equal to z and a is equal to 1. So we have here the integral of 2 all over z squared minus 1 dz. Then simplify. So let here we have the 2 integral of 1 all over z squared minus 1 squared dz. Then simplify, apply the integrate. So 2 multiplied by 1 over z minus 1 ln z minus 1 all over z plus 1. Then our final answer after we integrate, ln the logarithmic of z minus 1 all over z plus 1 plus c. And again, after that, we have to substitute z is equal to square root of x. Therefore, we have the ln of square root of x minus 1 all over square root of x plus 1 plus c. Here our number 8, which is the problem is the integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx. Then here we have to use u substitution. So we let u is equal to cosine 3x, then du is negative 3x 3 sine 3x dx. Then our dv is e to the 2x dx. Then our v is 1 half e to the 2x. Then here we have 1 half e to 2x cosine 3x plus 3 halves integral of e to the 2x sine 3x dx. Then we have to the integral, you have to integrate. So the integral of e to the 2x sine 3x dx. So we let u is equal to sine 3x, then our du is 3 cosine 3x dx. Then our dv is e to the 2x dx, and our v is 1 half e to the 2x. So we have here the integral of e to the 2x sine 3x dx is equal to 1 half e to the 2x sine 3x minus 3 halves integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx is equal to 1 half e to the 2x cosine 3x plus 3 halves, then multiply by 1 half sine 3x minus 3 halves the integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx. Then simplify 1 half 1 half ex to the 2x cosine 3x plus 3/4 e to the 2x sine 3x minus 9/4 integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx. Then here we have to bring back the like terms together or combine. So here we have the integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx plus 9/4 integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx. Then we have to come up with the 1 half e to the 2x cosine 3x plus 3/4 then e to the 2x sine 3x. So just simplify. So have here we have to combine. So 13/4 integral of e to the 2x cosine 3x dx. Then simplify again or integrate, apply integrate. 1/2 e to the 2x cosine 3x plus 3/4 then e to the 2x sine 3x and equal to, we have to come up with this answer, e to the 2x all over 13 multiplied by 2 cosine 3x plus 3 sine 3x plus c.